If you're running an e-commerce business and looking to boost your ad performance with minimal effort, AdCreative AI might be just the tool you need. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use AdCreative AI for e-commerce ads. And trust me, this tool can make a world of difference when it comes to creating high-converting ads in a fraction of the time. AdCreative AI is an artificial intelligence-driven platform designed to help marketers create top-performing ad creatives without needing to be an expert designer. It's a great solution if you want to scale your e-commerce business and increase your return on ad spend. The AI uses data-driven insights to generate creatives that are optimized for engagement, making it perfect for businesses that want to see results quickly. The first step is signing up, and here's the best part. You can start using it for free by clicking the first link below. You'll even get exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. But before we dive deeper, stick around because I'll show you how AdCreative AI can save you time, money, and energy while creating ads that work. Once you're in, AdCreative AI asks you to upload your branding assets. Think logo, color schemes, and any key messaging you want to use across your ads. From there, it's time to create your first ad campaign. You'll need to define your audience and goals. For example, you can set up ads with objectives like increasing sales, lead generation, or just driving traffic to your store. Based on these goals, the AI crafts ad creatives that are personalized to the type of ad you need. What really sets AdCreative AI apart from other tools is its ability to generate multiple creatives in minutes, all optimized for different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. Whether you're looking to create carousel ads, single image ads, or video ads, this software has you covered. The AI pulls from a vast library of templates that are designed to perform well, so even if you're not a designer, you can create professional quality ads. You can also fine-tune the output by providing additional feedback to the AI. If you don't like the design it generates, you can adjust it easily or tweak the copy and see how the AI responds. It's a learning system, meaning the more you use it, the better it gets at generating ads that are aligned with your business's unique needs and goals. Now, let's talk about performance. One of the most powerful features of AdCreative AI is its ability to provide analytics and insights on how your ads are doing. You can track things like click-through rates, conversion rates, and more. With this data, you can optimize your ads even further. Instead of relying on guesswork, you have the data to make informed decisions about where to allocate your ad spend. As you continue using the software, you'll notice a huge improvement in the speed and quality of your ad creatives. What normally takes hours or days of brainstorming and design can now be done in just minutes. Plus, AdCreative AI offers A/B testing to see which creatives perform the best, another great feature for optimizing your ads and improving your ROI. So, whether you're just starting out with e-commerce or you're looking for a way to scale your existing business, AdCreative AI is a game changer. With its intuitive platform and AI-powered features, you can create high-converting ads that will help you grow your business with ease. Don't forget, you can try it for free with our exclusive offer by clicking the link below. Before you go, remember that AdCreative AI isn't just about creating ads. It's about making smarter decisions, faster. If you're ready to take your e-commerce ads to the next level, make sure to take advantage of the extended free trial I mentioned. Don't miss out on this opportunity to use one of the best AI-powered tools available today. Check the link below to get started now.